A diesel engine is a type of internal combustion engine that uses diesel fuel to compress and ignite the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber. It was invented by Rudolf Diesel in the late 19th century and has since become widely used in a variety of applications, including vehicles, boats, and generator sets. How it works? Fuel injection. The diesel fuel is injected into the combustion chamber using a high-pressure fuel pump. Compression. The fuel-air mixture is compressed to high pressure and temperature by the upward movement of the piston. Ignition. The compressed fuel-air mixture is ignited by the heat generated from the compression, causing a controlled explosion or combustion. Power stroke. The expanding gases from the combustion push the piston down, generating mechanical energy that is transferred to the crankshaft and ultimately to the wheels or other parts of the machine. Exhaust. The spent gases are expelled from the combustion chamber through the exhaust valve. Advantages of diesel engines. Fuel efficiency. Diesel engines are known for their high fuel efficiency compared to gasoline engines. Torque. Diesel engines produce high levels of torque, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications. Durability. Diesel engines are known for their long lifespan and durability, making them a popular choice for vehicles and heavy machinery. Cost-effective. Diesel fuel is typically less expensive than gasoline, making diesel engines a cost-effective choice for many applications. In conclusion, the diesel engine is a highly efficient and reliable internal combustion engine that has been widely adopted for a variety of applications. By understanding its basic working principle, we can appreciate its many advantages and understand why it continues to be a popular choice for so many different applications.